Don't pick your nose. This is for KK. Say hi, KK.
Hi, KK.
Say hi to Rob.
Hi, Rob.
Who else do you say hi to?
Baby Ada.
Say hi, Baby Ada.
Hi, Baby Ada.
Can you show KK your pillows? What's on it?
Owl.
Yeah. Can you show her Fat Charlie? What's he wearing?
Sure.
Why doesn't he have any pants on?
Yeah.
Why doesn't he have pants on?
And he says yeah.
He says yeah?
Yeah.
Can you show KK your other owl blanket?
Right here.
Yeah, where's your other one? Get it, show KK. Charlie didn't make it very far. What's so funny? What's so funny?
Charlie.
Charlie's funny?
Yeah. Yeah.
Come here, you wanna say bye to KK and Rob and Etta?
Yeah.
Come over here, sit on your bed. Sit on your bed.
Hello Kitty.
Oh, yep, there's Hello Kitty. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Can you say bye to Bo?
Bye, Bo.
Who's Bo? Remember Bo? Is he a kitty? No.
Yeah.
He's a doggy.
I see a doggy.
It's KK's doggy.
I think I get doggy.
Not right now. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Say bye, everybody.
Bye, buddy.
Can you say I love you?
I love you.